The following program is rated TV MA LSV. It is intended only for mature audiences.
Light beat on the face, cause you know, titties out, cause you know. Yes, dry that fucking boat. How it taste? I didn't even smell it. Whoa! Ben!
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
It's the body. Body. Hey y'all, I'm Raven and you're watching my channel.
Bend over, make you stop it up.
All the hot girls make it pop. Bad bitches with the bag say ay.
Turn around, squeeze her up. Long cocky gon' pull her up. Handcuff but me no hold her up.
Be my love, and I need to have good comfort. Type of pussy when make him come right back.
You feel like summertime. You took this heart of mine. You be my Valentine in the summer.
Hey y'all, so it is about 2:30. We just landed and I'm here with Nerva and we about to go to the hotel to meet the rest of the girls. We still got three more one that's landing today and then my other two cousins landing tomorrow. Today is a chill day. We probably just gonna get something to eat and chill out. And I do have to record a video for y'all. But yeah, it's 84 degrees. I came from 60 in Boston to 84. Okay. I had to switch to my slides. I'll let you guys know what we're about to do. And I'll catch up with y'all later. Alright y'all, so it's a little bit later. I recorded my haul and now we're about to go get something to eat. This is my fit. Not really doing much. No makeup because today's chill day, tomorrow's pop out day. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys where we go eat and stuff like that. But this is in my room. I'll check into my room tomorrow. I'm in my cousin's room, but that's the view. That's what it's given. And yeah. So I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Hey you guys, so today's Friday and we're on our way to Nikki Beach. This is my outfit. We outside with it. I'm gonna show you guys the food and the area. It's mad cute. Light feet on the face, cause you know, titties out, cause you know. Okay. Alright y'all, so this is my drink. I got the strawberry daiquiri. You already know. You got the water on the side with our lemon. This is our seat. Everybody else sitting over there because we all couldn't sit at one table. But yeah, I'm on number 2. This daiquiri was mad good. And I'm about to finish this one too. So for those who watch my designer vlog, I got my Telfar with me, and this is the set that I'm wearing. I got my Coach Slides. So these are all the cuisines. At Dear Naomi, subscribe to the channel at Dear Naomi. You know, you already know. You already know. Naomi Cosmetics on the way. Guys, look. I found my name. It's destined that we're supposed to be here. Yes, dry that fucking boat. How it tastes? They doing a music video? What is he recording? What a music. So you guys, we're at Victory Restaurant in Lynn, and we got 2 separate tables. It's outside, but that's the fit. Let me show y'all what I get to eat. This is my drink, y'all. It's called the Woo. And it's Hennessy and some strawberries. And it's supposed to be good. My lamb chops are here. With my asparagus and my seafood mac and cheese. I'm about to devour this. So good, so good. Hey y'all, so it is Saturday morning. Not even morning, it's like 12:30. It's Saturday afternoon. And we on our way to the yacht. We got finger licking, we got hello fucking food, we got drinks, we got liquor, and I just bought this Harman Kardon speaker because, you know, we about to be blasting shit. So stay tuned because we're about to have so much fun, and we'll be back in a little bit.
Yeah, make yourselves comfortable. Don't bring your bags downstairs. Feel free to.
All right, y'all. We have the yacht.
Thank you. Got it. Are these ready boys mine or yours? I didn't open mine.
Microwave. We got chips. We got cups. Bottom fish. Oh, juice? You got juice? Okay. Okay. Truly? He got Truly. Truly Africa, the seltzer water.
I don't like this rocky baby.
Okay. I'm about to eat. boy. Drive the boat. Drive the boat. Ho! Ho! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Oi! Oi! So Pfizer Viagra owns this $120 million house, y'all.
That's not a house, Nikki. That's a mansion.
That's a mansion. 6 buildings. Wow. It should be. I can put it on this form.
Then she said she have a plane from China. With your hand. Me? Put it in my mouth.
Whoa! Ben! So yeah, we got these niggas still out there on the jet skis. Period. I guess Marlo is first. Oh! Whoa! You gotta put the life jacket on. It's free? Alright y'all, so the jet ski was alright. That was my first time on a jet ski, but this nigga broke the fuck down all the way away from the boat. I was scared. I thought I had to swim back, and I could barely swim, so I was scared, but it was straight. He was going fast and shit. It was alright though. Shot o'clock! Shots o'clock. I'm holding it down. You driving. I'm not too late.
You can't order water on the thing.
Not here. We try to splash the water out.
I'm personal driver, baby. Okay. I gotta back up. Freeze, baby, freeze. All the water. You can't
Okay. Oh shit.
I want to go in the water too. I'm coming tonight. The water feels good. It's so hot. I'm about to go in there.
Wow. What's her name? Keisha. Jasmine. Something. Megan. Lisa. Oh. It takes to touch the glass. It takes to touch the glass. You're ready. That's what they're gonna make you blow my Oh my God. It takes to touch the glass. It takes to touch the glass. It takes to touch the glass.
Hey! Boy! It's 9 o'clock, y'all!
Allow me to breathe, niggas, and mama check me folk. Flow with a lot of ease, niggas, what you hating for? I will not stop, you niggas will not breathe. With my last score, I pack it enough deep. Money sharing bad, but my shit sounding upbeat. See my ever one crown, boy.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
These kids say they're hustling, they say they're getting money. What y'all been for? Assalamu alaikum, fala toko mi je proper.
I got the chasing too. That's the amateur rocket. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Why that shit jiggling like that? Wow. Whoa. 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 Wow.
What the fuck? What? The biggest, the baddest. Fuck y'all hoes. Oh my God. Fuck y'all hoes.
Hey y'all, so it is like 7 o'clock and we are finally back at the hotel. Guys, they placed a state of emergency and they're closing the strip between freaking 5th and 16th Street at 8 p.m. That's the curfew. That is ridiculous. We came at the worst weekend ever because all these little kids is acting up and the cops can't take it. So they dead as it a curfew. So it's a good thing that the Fete is not on the strip, or is our hotel on the strip. But yeah, I'm about to go down to the pool with everybody else, and it's not much to do. Fete later, and I had to order food because I'm fucking starving. Where's my wallet? See ya. This is the backyard, y'all. We have 2 pools. We have cabanas. We chilling with the hookah. Like how we outside, we at the cooler fed. Look at Connie. Who she think she is? She's single now. She's trying to get a nigga. Trying to get mine. We at the Fete. Cooler Fete. So it's the cooler Fete. We couldn't bring no glasses, no chasers, no nothing. But we acted. We finesse. We about to finesse. And yeah, so we better have some fun. We better get lit. Time to go. Time to go. Okay. Hey, hey, ho, ho, ho.
She got a tag for niggas who want to walk it out. Stick it out. I got the bags and jerseys. What she got? She got my name on top of my I do my dance when I need you. I know DJ Crush is here.
Bring a bucket and a mop for this wet ass.
Dead ass, how I get that?
is Sunday morning. We are about to be on our way to our house Wynwood for our drag brunch. It's supposed to be lit, so I'm gonna let y'all know what it looks like. Last night was alright. The fete, it wasn't even a fete because they barely played soca. So they should have just called that shit a fucking party because it wasn't worth $40. That was like a $20 party. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Wow.
She's flirting. She's a Dion. Take her home.
No, we have less than 10, so.
No, you're gonna be okay.
Yeah.
All right, awesome.
Thank you so much.
What are you doing?
Thank you. Yes, honey.
Thank you.
Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. It's my birthday, bitch. Yes, yes. Yes, she is Beyonce. Ivy Park, yeah. Oh. Oh no. Oh.
We got more food. Oh shit.
Yeah, we gotta have more food on the way. We got wings. We got Brunch, huh? Boy, living Detroit. Big dope selling money. He was getting some coins. But he living the palace. Yeah.
No, she got it.
I got a big fat ass. Woo! Yes, sis. Yes. Her body is it for me. It's the body. Body. Woo! Yes. Ah! Vogue, I need that. I need to learn that shit. Get out. Let me not get it. Look at him trying to ratty. Who y'all think y'all frontin' on? Yes! She about to fucking freak it. Yes! Woo! Yeah, I'm actually really mad because we have reservations at Kiki on the River. Reservations were at 6 p.m. I told everybody we had to leave by 5:30, right? 5:30 comes, no one's ready. 5:45 comes, no one's ready. They called me and told me that it's a 10-minute grace period. So I'm telling them, like, we gotta go because, listen, like, this is the only thing that I really wanted to do because it was so nice inside. The food was supposed to be good, and blah. We get there, they still had a table for us, but nobody listened to nobody in the group chat read my message that stated that this is a formal wear. So they wore slides and not heels, and they didn't let us in. So I was pissed, and I had on all white. My outfit was really cute. And yeah, I wasn't fucking with it at all. I won't say I'm mad at everybody, but like this trip is honestly so annoying. I'm probably never gonna do a girls trip with this many females because my attitude just can't take it, and I wanna go home. Like, I'm over it. I want to see my boyfriend. Yeah, I'm so mad. Like I feel like crying because like, why? Like, why is it for everybody else's reservations we have to make it on time? It's not even that. Like, we were late for everything, so yeah, I was pissed. Like, why is it that nobody can listen to a time? Everything we were late to, we were late an hour to the yacht, so we only had 3 hours to the yacht instead of the full 4. And it's just like, I just can't do this. So if y'all ever see me, if y'all ever see a get ready with me for a freaking for a trip and it's more than a certain amount of females, please tell me because I'm never doing it again. I need to smoke, so I'm letting me smoke, and yeah, I can't wait to go this back home. I hope I got enough content for y'all. I think I'm just gonna close the video out here, show you little airport flicks, but yeah, I'm gonna close it out here. I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video. I wish I had more energy towards the end to show you guys how much fun I have, but it's just like annoying, and I'm just annoyed. Like I feel like I've been annoyed for half the trip, like dealing with all these people. But it is what it is. And I'm gonna still be brave, and I'm gonna still keep pushing. Don't let anybody fuck up your mood. Even though they did fuck up the last day of my trip, I'm about to go smoke and have my own type of fun. Make sure you guys are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe now because you're at the end of the video, so you need to be subscribed because I know you like this. Because you watch it to the end, right? I need a phone. Guys, I was so mad. Like, my pictures would have been so good. They would have been bomb. Like, I just have to rewear the dress. Like, I'm just gonna have my man take me to Miami and we can go places and we will be on time because that's how I do. Okay? Alright, y'all. So, hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next one.